Hello everyone, welcome to BISP Solutions. I'm Tanvi Arora, working here as a functional consultant. So in today's video, we are going to see the case scenario of auto invoice clearing in Oracle ARCS. So what is the meaning of auto invoice clearing? Auto invoice is a powerful tool to import and validate the transactions data from other financial systems and create invoices, debit memos, credit memos, and on-account credits in Oracle receivables. Auto invoice clearing is a suspense account that is created if the revenue amounts does not match the price and quantity amounts. So basically, it is the difference between the price at which the organization makes its sales and the price at which it purchases the goods. So the difference will temporarily go into an account which is called an auto invoice clearing account, and which is then justified and validated and transferred to the respective accounts on the reconciliation. So we will see the process and go to our application. So this is the homepage of my application. So the first step is to create a format. So we will go to the application and under configuration. So here I'm going to use the already created format, that is the zero balance account format. So from here I will choose my format. This is the format. Now, why I'm choosing the zero balance accounts format? Because this is the account analysis method. Here, we are not going to compare the source system and the subsystem. We are only, the preparer is only going to provide for the explanations that why this balance is there temporarily in that account. And it is a kind of suspense account. So once the explanations are provided, the difference will go to their respective accounts on providing the explanations. So the name is zero balance account. The method is account analysis. And then this is the balance summary tab. This is the balance explanations tab. These are the headings that will be used by the preparer to provide for the explanations. And same, it is the case with adjustments. Short description, transaction date, close date, long description, and impact. So I'm not going to change anything in this. I'm going to cancel this. The next step is to create a profile. So I'm going to make a new profile for this. I'll click on add. This is the name of my profile. So this is the description that I have provided. Process that is used is the balance sheet process. It is a balance sheet item. And the risk rating I can choose according to my organization. Now the account type will be in the assets, accounts receivable. Normal balances, debit. Organizational unit, I will select North America. Then the format I will choose from here. Format is zero balance accounts. Method is automatically selected, that is account analysis. So for the auto reconciliation, I will select balances zero, and I'm going to provide for 30 days for the reconciliation adjustments and 30 days for balance explanations. Then I will switch to the workflow tab. Here, I'm going to provide the name for my preparer. So my preparer is Frank Taylor. Frequency is monthly. Start offset day, I will provide for 1 day and duration 2 days. And it is scheduled from close date. And then I'm going to provide for the reviewer. I will click on this. Duration, I will provide for 2 days. Then I will go to currency tab. Rate type, I will select accounting, and the currency that I will use is USD and in the functional bucket. Okay, so I'm going to save this profile. Now I'm going to provide for the balances into the periods for which I want to do the reconciliation. So I will switch to the periods tab. And I'm going to provide a reconciliation for the month of December. So from the actions, I will select import pre-map data, import pre-map balances. Okay, and then I will choose my file. My file is a CSV file. This is my file. Balance type is source system. Then the period is December. Currency bucket, I will choose functional. File delimiter is comma. So I'm just going to import this. Also, I will show you my file. So this is my file. This is a CSV file. And the headings that are used are reconciliation account ID, currency code, USD, and amount is 17,000. So the preparer will provide the explanations for this particular 17,000. Then I will go to my application again. Okay. So as you can see, the import process has been completed. I will see the progress in the data load results. So this profile has been imported without any errors. I'm just going to close this, and then I'm going to create a reconciliation for this particular profile. So I'm going to go to profiles again, search for my profile. This is my profile. I'm going to select this, and in the actions tab, I will create reconciliation for the month of December. So this process has been completed. Now I will go to my reconciliation card and see whether the reconciliation has been created or not. So I'm going to select the correct period first. So as you can see, 17,000 is showing in the unexplained difference and as well as in the source system. Okay. So I will show you the reconciliation also. So this is the reconciliation, and the unexplained differences are one, that is of 17,000. Now I will log in as Frank Taylor, that is my preparer, and he is going to provide for the balance explanations. So I will log out from here. So I've logged in as the preparer. Now I'm going to go to the reconciliations card and provide for the explanation for the reconciliation that I have been allotted. This is the period December, and this is my profile. So this is my reconciliation, and in the balance, I will go to the balance explanation tab for providing the explanations. Click on add icon. Transaction date I'm not going to change. Then I will provide for the difference amount. So I'm going to save this. Now, as you can see, I have left with no unexplained differences. I will submit this reconciliation. So it has been submitted, and now the status has changed to open with reviewer. The final step is that the reviewer will approve it or reject it, or send back to the preparer for any corrections. So this is the complete process. Thank you so much.